Paper money can be printed endlessly, but real money has to stand the test of time. Ever wonder why gold and silver are still trusted as true stores of value? When you think about money, it's easy to focus only on the dollar in your pocket. But real wealth has always needed something stronger to back it up. That's where precious metals come in. The Why Precious Metals Guide explains that physical gold and silver have been trusted as money for centuries because they carry timeless intrinsic value. Unlike paper currency, which can lose value through printing and inflation, gold and silver are finite, durable, and universally admired. In the section Consider the Brilliance of Gold and Silver, you see why they continue to be considered real money. Precious metals don't decay, they are easy to store, portable, and liquid, which means they can be bought or sold anywhere in the world. Their steady demand, even during downturns, shows why generations of investors have relied on them as lasting stores of value. This guide helps you understand that gold and silver are not just investments. They are assets with qualities that make them money in their own right. I've placed the guide link below so you can check it out directly. This is one of 8 PDFs in the free Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle, alongside titles like Digital Dollar Report and Company Integrity Checklist, all designed to give you clear, unbiased knowledge before making retirement decisions. Download the full Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle for free to see why precious metals are still considered real money and how that insight can guide your saving strategy. You will find the download link right below this video.